Good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a great weekend and had a great week. Here's the report for Lake Eucumbene for the week ending 9th of February 2025. Taking a look at current water levels, Lake Eucumbene sits at 46.8%, which is down 0.4% on this day last week. Jindabyne's also down 0.4%, while Tantangara Dam remains steady at 10.4%. Interestingly, this year, Eucumbene has remained fairly static. It started the year off at 47.7%, so has dropped zero point 0.9 of 1% so far this year. Just a word of caution for boaters around Lake Jindabyne. There's been lots of reports in the last few weeks of ruins and big rocks resurfacing as the water levels there continue to fall, so please take extra care. I was up at Providence Portal last weekend, great weather by the way, and as you can see in this short video, there's really not much water coming down the tunnel from Tantangara Dam, so inflows are very light at the moment. It's been a pretty slow week on the water, but anglers who were prepared to put in the hours were rewarded with some nice catches. Regulars Ryan Longhurst, Stuart Bennett, Mark Chinnery and Maxwell Jennings got amongst the fish. Once again, Browns outnumbered rainbows. Fishing from the bank, especially from sunset to around 9:30 p.m, produced results, with worms and powerbait leading the way. Hotspots this week included Yens Bay, Buckendera and Cemetery Point. There have also been some reports of a couple of great catches from the Eucumbene River near Kyandra. Don't forget, if you've been fishing and have a report, send it through and I'll report on it next week. If you're heading to the lake next week, my advice, take some wet weather gear with you. Showers, rain, thunderstorms, possible hail, you'll just about get it all. If you're lucky enough to still be there on Sunday, a sunny day is forecast. Maximum temperature should range between 17 degrees on Monday up to 24 degrees on Thursday. In terms of rainfall, up to 50 millimetres of rain is likely over the next 7 days, but as is the case with thunderstorms, where one part of the lake may get a lot of rain, another part may get none. No matter what the weather, just have a great time and stay safe. Oh, and remember, the trout actually love bad weather. Thanks to everyone who have sent in pics this week. We've had a great mix of fish and scenic photos posted. Regular contributor and great mate Pete Wilson, as always, has sent in some stunning photos. If you want to check out Pete's work, visit Australian High Country Photography. A shout out also to Marty Corby, who sent in a stunning sunset pic taken from Old Adaminaby during the week. For pick of the week, I've gone with this lovely brown caught by Maxwell Jennings. Maxwell was up in the Eucumbene River during the week and caught this beauty yesterday. Thanks for sharing, Maxwell. And don't forget, if you've taken some pics during the week or have some photos to share, please send them through and you might just see them here. Well, that's the report for this week. Hope you enjoyed it and found the information useful. Would love to get some feedback, whether you liked the format, you didn't like the format, whether you've got any tips. Have you got any fishing tips? Just have a wonderful week. If you get up to the lake, enjoy. And if you don't, remember to log on to lakeeucumbene.com for more fishing news. All right, tight lines, everyone. Catch you soon.